Hello, I'm Nelia, Anastasia on my channel, and today I want to show you my second makeup for Halloween, the makeup. Actually, I already did this makeup earlier, and today I want to show you my interpretation of this makeup. I'd rather say it will be kinda casual tea makeup. It's mean it will be not too much, if you understand what I mean. So it will be kinda light tea makeup. And we need a lot of foundation on the face. And I think I will be use facial contouring at this makeup. It will be nice. So next move, we're gonna make it with black eyeshadow from this palette. And also I'm gonna take my angled brush. See? So we're gonna start from here. It's kinda look like smoky eyes actually, but even cooler. We need a lot of black color. And it's like arrows, but it will be too thick. Actually, when I did this first time, it was kinda impressive, and I decided to do this again. That's why I choose exactly this makeup in this year to show you. So just make our eyes broader with this makeup actually. And it maybe goes under it maybe goes here. And I take this black pencil and goes to the mucus. It will be total black. Like this. Maybe add a little bit pencil here. And now we're gonna make this pretty thing, because I like this it goes forward to the nose. Maybe I should with a liquid eyeliner. I wanna try. Now I add a little bit mascara, but not too much. Actually, I don't think that we must use in this makeup mascara at all. And as far as I remember, I did this makeup without mascara earlier. But just for you, I do it with mascara. Like this. It's my second eye, and I think now we should join nose. I'm gonna take brown eyeshadow with this palette. I'll take this color, I think. And a little bit making our nose, make nose darker. Actually, I thought about take black eyeshadow, but maybe it's a little bit too much. This. A little bit contouring, but maybe I should, maybe I'll take black eyeshadow, I think. Maybe I'll try. Well, I think I try black eyeshadow. Well, I'll take these two eyeshadow and gonna do a little bit darker. Maybe I take another. I should make a little bit borders, I think. I should take more black color. Carefully. Is this thing? Actually, it's so fun to make this makeup. And now we should make lips. I'm go with actually I don't have black lipstick, and I take eyeshadow, black eyeshadow too. But first I should put a little bit bulb on my lips, a little bit moisturizing them. And now put black eyeshadow. I wanna make a mustache, because I think we don't need it. It's in the cat makeup maybe, but not G makeup. If you don't have black lipstick, just use eyeshadow. Actually, I already done this. I already did this before, but with blue eyeshadow. It's kinda nice too. I'm not gonna take button lip. But maybe I put a concealer. I think I should another concealer take. Maybe I'll take and just make it more whiter. I want to make it white as I can. It's kinda cute and funny. Yeah, it's nice. Well, it was the makeup. I hope you like it and it was fun. Like video, subscribe for more video. Thank you for watching. Bye. Happy Halloween.